good morning. How are you, baby? How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. Am I right? Yes. In the morning when you wake up, what do you say? In the morning when you wake up, what do you say? What do you say, baby? In the morning when you wake up, what do you say? Good morning. Okay, kids. Will you say good morning to your parents? At your home, will you say good morning? At once you get up from the bed? Will you say? No. See, okay. Hereafter, everybody at once you get up from the bed, you should say good morning to your family members. Okay, baby, your father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother. Okay, baby, your uncle, aunt. Okay, do you remember? See, do you know, baby? See, you have to say good morning. Okay, what do you say? Good morning. Let's say once again. Come on. In the morning when you wake up, what do you say? Good morning. In the morning when you wake up, what do you say? Good morning. In the morning when you wake up, what do you say? Good morning. Okay, kids, will you say good morning? Yes. Come on. Let's see our concept today. Okay, baby. Yesterday, what concept we have seen? What concept we have seen? Ma'am, I taught you parts of face. What concept I taught you? Parts of face. Have you all remember that concept? Have you all remember that concept? Okay. Once again, let's recall that concept. Okay, baby? Come on. See, what is this face? What is this part? This is my face. This is my face. In our face, what is this part? What is this part? This one. Yes, this is forehead. Everybody say forehead. Next, what is this part? Yes, very good. These are our eyes. These are our eyes. We have two eyes. What is this part, baby? These are our ears. What is this part? Ears. We have two ears. We have two ears. This is, yes, cheeks. This is cheeks. Chubby cheeks. Okay, baby? We have two cheeks. What is this part? This is chin. This is chin. Dimple, chin. This is, what is this part? Mouth. Everybody say, what is this part? Mouth. Shall we sing one rhymes for this concept? Shall we sing? Are you ready? Yes. Come on. Eyes and ears and on my face, on my face, on my face. Eyes and ears and on my face, and so does a nose, and so does a nose. Eyes and ears and on my face, on my face, on my face. Eyes and ears and on my face, and so does a nose. Cheeks and chins and on my face, on my face, on my face. Cheeks and chins and on my face, on my face. And so does a mouth, and so does a mouth. Cheeks and chin and on my face, on my face, on my face. Cheeks and chin and on my face, and so does a mouth, and so does a mouth. Okay, kids, have you all enjoyed with these rhymes? Yes. Next, now we revised our concept. What we learned yesterday, we finished. So next, we are going to see what are the parts in our eyes. What are the parts in our eyes? Already we know that we have two eyes. Now we are going to see what are the parts in our eyes. What are the parts in our eyes. Let's start now. What are the parts in our eyes? What are the parts in our nose? What are the parts in our mouth? Okay, baby, we are going to see the three concepts today. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, everybody come closer. Let's see the flashcards. Okay, baby, come on. Baby, what is this part? These are our eyes. Now we are going to see what are the parts in our eyes. Okay, baby, are you all ready? Yeah. What is this part? Eyebrow. See here, this is eyebrow. See, this is the one of the parts in our eyes. This is the part of eyes. Eyebrow. This is what is this? Everybody touch your hair here. Pull this hair here. Here. See. In our eyes, hair is there, Our mummy usually put eyelashes. Am I right? Yeah, here one hair is there, See, everybody pull your hair. That is eyelashes. Everybody say eyelashes. Everybody say eyelashes. This is eyebrow. Everybody touch your eyebrow. Come on. Everybody touch your eyebrow. Eyebrow. Everyone touch your eyebrows. Eyebrow. Eyelashes. Everybody pull your eyelashes. It's a small hair. Eyelashes and eyes. What are the parts in our eyes? Everybody say eyebrow, eyelashes and eyes. See here, eyebrows. The small hairs are there, see baby. See here, the small hairs in our eyes. That is eyelashes. See, what are the parts in our eyes? Eyebrows, eyelashes and eyes. Okay, baby, have you understood, ma'am, what I'm saying? Yes, this is eyebrows, eyelashes and eyes. Totally 3 parts in our eyes. Totally, how many parts in our eyes? We have 3 parts in our eyes. Okay, baby, eyebrows, eyelashes and eyes. Okay, baby. Next, shall we see our nose? Shall we see our nose? Come on. Okay, baby. Where is your nose? Where is our nose in our face? Where is our nose? Everybody touch your nose. See here. Everybody touch your nose. Yes, this is our nose. This is our nose. This is our nose. In our nose, what are the parts are there? Nose, nostrils. See, in our nose, 2 holes are there. Am I right? You have 2 holes. See, you have 2 holes. In our nose, we have 2 holes. Am I right? Everybody touch the 2 holes. Everyone touch the 2 holes. That is nostrils. Everybody say nostrils. The 2 holes are there, baby. So, through the 2 holes only we are breathing. Everybody breathe. Everybody take air, everybody inhale. Take breath in. Come on. How we are breathing? We are breathing through our nostril. These 2 holes, baby, that is our nostrils. Everybody say nostrils. Everybody say nostrils. Okay, that is a part of our nose. That is a part of our nose. What are the parts in our nose? Nose, nostril, nose, nostril, nose, nostril. Everybody see here, nose and nostrils. How many nostrils we have? 1, 2. 2 nostril. We have 2 nostrils. See, 1, 2. 2 nostrils. Have you understood? What are the parts in our nose? Nose, nostrils, nose, nostrils. Okay, baby. Next, shall we see our mouth? Shall we see our mouth? What are the parts in our mouth? Shall we see our mouth? What are the parts in our mouth? Okay, everybody touch your mouth. Everybody touch your mouth. See, this is my mouth. Now we are going to see what are the parts in our mouth. See here. What are the parts in our mouth? Show your tongue. Tongue. See here. See here. Tongue. Tongue also in our mouth only, no baby. See here. Tongue. Everybody show your tongue outside. Tongue. Teeth. Lips. See here. What are the parts in our mouth? See here. Come on. Tongue. Teeth. And lips. Come on. Say everybody. What are the parts in our mouth? Tongue, teeth, lips. Tongue, teeth and lips. Okay baby, what's the color of our tongue? What's the color of our tongue? Yes, that is pink color. What's the color of our tongue? Our color of our tongue is pink color. What's the color of our tongue? It's pink color. Okay, what's the color of our lips? Yeah, our lips also pink color. Good job. Next, what's the color of our teeth, baby? Teeth. Okay, everybody brushing your teeth morning and night. Ma'am, I told you, no, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. How many times everybody brushing? 2 times? Yes, good job. What's the color of our teeth? White color. Very good. Let's see once again what are the parts in our mouth. Let's see once again. Come on, come on, come on. Tongue, teeth and lips. Tongue, teeth and lips. Very good. Super. Let's see once again. Come on. Ma'am, first what I taught you? What I taught you, baby? Parts of eyes. We have seen parts of eyes. Let's recall once again. Come on. What are the parts of eyes? Eyebrows, eyelashes. That's a small hair only. We call eyelashes. Eyebrows, eyelashes and eyes. Let's say once again. Come on. Eyebrows, eyelashes and eyes. Very good. Next, parts of nose means, see here. Come on, see here. This is a nose. The 2 holes only called. See here, this boy 2 holes here, you know. See, everybody touch your 2 holes. That is we call nostrils. Everybody say nostrils. Everybody say nostrils. Very good. Next, parts of mouth. Parts of mouth. What are the parts in our mouth? Tongue, teeth and lips. See here. Tongue, teeth and lips. Very good. Okay baby. How we are tasting our food? I told you know how we are tasting our food. How we are tasting? We are licking the ice cream. Am I right? How we lick the ice cream usually? See here, this is our tongue, you know, baby. How we are tasting our food. We are licking our ice cream, you know. How we will lick? Likewise only we will lick, you know. See, we taste our food through our tongue. We taste. The food taste we are finding, you know. How we are finding the taste. How we are finding the taste of the ice cream, chocolate. We are telling, you know, the taste is sweet. Next, the bitter gourd is very bitter taste. We are telling, you know, that food taste sweet, salt, bitter, spicy. We are telling, you know, how we are telling. Which organ helps to find out the taste? That is tongue. Tongue only taste our food. Tongue only taste the food. Okay baby, have you understood? Have you understood? Suppose you are biting the food. How we will bite? Suppose we are eating mutton, chicken. We are eating, you know, how we are biting? How we can bite in our mouth? Through our teeth. Through our teeth only we will bite, you know. Am I right? Yes. Next. How you are breathing, baby? Breathing. Breathing. Everybody breathe. Breathe. Come on. Inhale. Take breathe in. Everybody breathe in. How we are breathing? Yes, we are breathing through our nose. Okay, baby, have you understood? Come on, let's see. Regarding this concept, let's see some pictures through our TV. Okay, baby. Okay, kids, it's time for activity U. Just now we have seen what are the parts in our eyes, parts of nose, and we have seen parts of mouth. Now I am going to show the pictures. You have to find out what are the names of the part. Okay, baby? Come on, see here. What is this part? I am giving clue. This part's in our eyes. What is this part? Yes, very good. Eyebrow. Good job. Come on, look at here. Now everybody say, what is this part? I say no, small hairs. Our mommy also put eyeliner over here. Do you remember? Yes. What is this part? Yes, very good. This is eyelashes. Everybody say eyelashes. This is small hairs, you know. That is eyelashes. Very good. Next, what is this part? This one? Good job. Very good. Super. This is eyes. Very good, baby. Here, baby. What is this part? Come on. Say. Yes. Very good. This is a nose. What is this part? This is nose. Okay. These two holes. What is this part? We have two holes, you know. Through our nose, we are breathe in. What is this part? What is this part? Come on. Say the answer. Come on. This is nostril. This is nostril. Very good. Super, kids. Come on. See here. What is this part? This is our... Yes. Very good. This is our mouth. You say, what are the parts in our mouth? What are the parts in our mouth? Come on. What is this part? Yes. Teeth. Very good. This is tongue. Good job. Very good. How we taste our food? How we taste our food? Through our tongue. Good job. Next, what is this part? Yes. Fantastic. This is a lips. What is this part? This is lips. Good job. Very good. Today we finish parts of eyes, parts of nose and parts of mouth. Am I right? Yes. I hope you all are enjoying this session. Am I right? How was the class? It was very nice. Okay, kids. Today we learned parts of eyes, nose and mouth. You have to recall. Okay, time and again. Often you have to recall this concept at your home. Okay, baby. Next, shall we move on to language time? Yes. Everybody drink some water. Come on. Go and drink water and go to washroom and come back here. Okay, baby? Yeah. Let's meet in language time. Okay, baby? Come on.